Come see this most popular Pamplona great room floor plan on oversized Y-shaped lot on cul-de-sac. Oversized great with 14-foot volume ceiling. Extra high heights and great privacy view. Master bedroom has 2 walk-in closets with built-in cabinetry. Master bathroom with whirlpool tub, separate glass block enclosed shower with 2 separate sink areas. This home is located at Valencia Shores, rated as one of the top 55+ communities in the USA. Social director, athletic director, full-time tennis pros. All working to help make camp just what you want it to be. 11 hard true tennis courts, 2 racquetball courts, 4 pickleball courts, state-of-the-art gym, steam and sauna, indoor and outdoor spa, social pool, resistant pool and lap pool. See more for more.